The Hasselblad X3D 150C stands as a defining moment in modern photography. A camera that doesn't just refine the medium format experience but redefines it entirely. From the instant you lay eyes on it, there's no mistaking its purpose. This is not a camera designed for casual snapshots or convenience. It's a meticulously crafted instrument built for artists, those who live and breathe photography, who see it as more than documentation, but as an extension of vision and emotion. Every detail of the X3D 150C communicates discipline, patience, and creative intent. Holding it feels less like handling a gadget and more like holding a masterpiece of engineering precision. Every dial turn, every press of the shutter, every texture under your fingertips whispers of Hasselblad's dedication to craftsmanship and its unwavering commitment to the art of photography. Like a fine Swiss timepiece, the X3D 150C blends technical mastery with timeless elegance. Its design philosophy encourages photographers to slow down, to think, observe, and connect with the scene before them. This is not a device built for speed. It's built for those who find beauty in the deliberate act of creation. The body itself, carved from a single block of aluminum alloy, exudes strength and sophistication. Its minimalist Scandinavian design language shines through every clean line and smooth surface. Nothing feels unnecessary or excessive. Its form meeting function in the purest way possible. The perfect embodiment of Hasselblad's Scandinavian roots where simplicity becomes luxury. Ergonomically, the X3D 150C builds upon everything its predecessors achieved, refining comfort and control for long, demanding shoots. The newly sculpted grip fits naturally in the hand, offering both balance and security. Each button and dial is placed with precision, ensuring every action feels natural and intentional. The tactile feedback is a joy, smooth yet decisive, offering the kind of mechanical satisfaction that photographers crave. Even the top display, reminiscent of the dashboard of a classic luxury car, enhances the experience by delivering essential shooting information with grace and clarity. The magnetic battery system is another small yet brilliant detail, replacing clunky latches with a clean, seamless design that feels both modern and intuitive. These thoughtful touches create a unified sense of purpose, turning every interaction into something meaningful and fluid. At the core of this machine lies its beating heart, a 150-megapixel backside-illuminated SIMO sensor co-engineered with Sony. Measuring 44 by 33 millimeters, it's roughly 70% larger than a standard full-frame sensor. And that difference is immediately evident in the results. The X3D 150C captures a level of detail that's nothing short of breathtaking. Fabrics, skin textures, and the softest transitions of light are rendered with astonishing realism. There's a tangible sense of depth, an almost three-dimensional quality that gives each photograph life beyond the screen or print. With 16-bit raw output capable of reproducing 281 trillion colors, tonal transitions are silky smooth, and color gradation feels as natural as the human eye perceives. The images don't just look perfect, they feel alive, breathing with subtlety and emotion. Hasselblad's renowned natural color solution technology continues to be the soul of its color science, and in the X3D 150C it reaches new heights. The tones are faithful, balanced, and elegant, without the artificial punch that plagues many digital systems. Skin tones are warm and lifelike, reds are rich without bleeding, and blues retain their natural depth without turning electric. Whether you're shooting under studio lights, natural sunlight, or mixed lighting environments, the color consistency remains impeccable. It's the kind of dependability that professionals need. Colors you can trust straight out of the camera, saving hours in post-production while maintaining absolute fidelity to your vision. Medium format systems have traditionally been synonymous with exceptional image quality, but slower, more deliberate performance. The X3D 150C, however, reshapes that reputation. Its advanced phase detection autofocus system features over 300 focus points, now enhanced with face and eye detection. The result is a level of speed and confidence that feels fresh for a medium format camera. While it may not compete with the high-speed monsters like Sony's A1 or Canon's R5, it delivers precise, reliable focus that feels assertive rather than cautious. For portraiture, product photography, fashion, and controlled outdoor work, it performs with quiet assurance. The 5-axis in-body image stabilization is another leap forward, delivering up to 7 stops of compensation. This means handheld shooting, even at slower shutter speeds, sometimes as low as 1/5 of a second, is entirely possible without sacrificing sharpness. For many professionals, this opens up entirely new creative opportunities, allowing flexibility in lighting and composition that medium format systems rarely offer. The 3.6-inch tilting touchscreen makes usability intuitive and smooth, offering a crisp, responsive interface that feels both elegant and functional. Navigation is fast, menus are clean, and the overall experience feels cohesive, eliminating the frustration that often accompanies professional-level gear. Add to that an improved battery life and internal SSD storage, and you have a workflow built to keep up with the demands of modern photographers. The internal SSD drastically reduces dependency on external memory cards and speeds up data transfer, making large 150-megapixel files far easier to handle. It's a subtle change that makes a significant difference in real-world productivity. Though the X3D 150C is clearly designed for still photography, it doesn't ignore video. It supports internal 4K 12-bit RAW recording at up to 30 frames per second using the full sensor readout. The footage benefits from the same color science, tonal depth, and dynamic range that define Hasselblad stills, resulting in cinematic visuals with a distinctive look. While it doesn't compete with high-end cinema cameras in terms of advanced features, it's more than capable for behind-the-scenes content, interviews, or artistic short films. The ability to move seamlessly from stills to cinematic storytelling gives creators added versatility without compromising image quality. Despite its graceful design, the X3D 150C is built to perform in demanding conditions. The magnesium alloy chassis offers durability without adding unnecessary weight, while weather sealing ensures resistance to dust and moisture. This combination of elegance and resilience makes the camera suitable for both studio and field use, embodying the perfect blend of artistry and reliability. It feels like a luxury object that doesn't shy away from hard work, a rare and powerful combination. What truly defines the X3D 150C, though, is its unity. Every element, sensor, body, software, interface, and ergonomics, works in perfect harmony. There's no sense of excess or gimmickry. Instead, everything serves the same philosophy: to make photography an intentional, immersive experience. It invites photographers to slow down, observe the world, and create with focus and feeling. It's a return to the essence of photography, reminding users that great images come from not just the technology in your hands, but the patience and awareness behind the lens. The Hasselblad X3D 150C sets a new benchmark for medium-format photography, offering professionals and artists an instrument that captures the world with extraordinary depth, clarity, and authenticity. Every aspect of the experience, from pressing the shutter to viewing the final image, reflects precision, artistry, and respect for the craft. For those who demand nothing less than perfection, it's more than a camera. It's an extension of vision, a bridge between technology and emotion. The X3D 150C isn't just made to document what you see, it's made to inspire how you see. It's a statement of what happens when engineering brilliance meets artistic soul. A camera built not just to capture the world, but to celebrate it in its most exquisite detail.